Hello class, in today's video we are going to learn about a 6.3 power amplifier comparison based on their operating point, conduction cycle, efficiency and applications. Here in this graphic vision, here in this table we have seen the parameters as like angle of conduction. We can easily convert these angles into cycle. I will repeat it. Then efficiency and position of operating point in power distortions and application. There is clearly mentioned in our syllabus that is there is no need for circuit diagram and applications of power amplifier as like an A, B, C and amplifier AB. Okay, class A, class B, class C and class AB. So what we have to do, simply make a column and rows where we can put a parameter characteristics. We can easily go with this one. Okay, then class A power amplifier, class B amplifier, class C and class AB. One by one we can put it out in a frame. Likewise, first is angle of conduction. What are the major differences among class A, class B, C and AB? Okay, if you talk about the class A amplifier, then the angle of conduction is 360 degree. That means complete cycle. I repeat, in term of cycle, if you write it as an angle of conduction or cycle, okay, then in sense of cycle there is a complete cycle, or in an angle of conduction there is a conduction angle is 360 degree. Okay, for class B it is 180 degree. That means half cycle. In class C power amplifier, it is less than 180 degree. That means it is less than half cycle. Okay, next is class AB. Class AB means more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So how could we write in cycle form? So more than half cycle but less than complete cycle. Okay, next point is efficiency, how it delivers the output as compared to input. Okay, how much efficient, how much comfortable it is for the applications or the instance of power consumptions. Class A efficiency is to 25% and can be increased up to 50%. I repeat, efficiency of class A amplifier is 25% and can be increased up to 50%. If you're talking about class B amplifier, the efficiency is 78.5% only. Not only, it is more than class A, of course more than class A. And if class C, it is most efficient power amplifier in power amplifier category, that is 95% efficiency given by class C amplifier. If we talk about the class AB amplifier, again it is same like in class B, that is 78.5. So by this comparison we can choose the best efficiency power amplifier is class C. Okay, next is position of operating point or Q point in power distortions. Position of Q point in class A amplifier is at the center of load line actively. Okay, class B on the X axis, class C below the X axis, and in class AB it's just above the X axis. Okay, now distortions means there is some noise or some interruptions. In class A power amplifier there is not at all any distortions. In class B, distortions more than class A but less than C. Distortions are more than class A and class AB but it is less than class C. In class C amplifier, distortions are maximum, and in class AB it is less than class B and class C but more than A. And last parameter is application. Class A amplifier used in outdoor musical systems. Class B amplifier used in audio power amplifiers. Class C amplifier used audio power amplifier, and class AB is recommended for radio frequency amplifier, which we shortly called RF amplifiers. Okay, we will talk in detail about this one in our Google Meet. Thank you.